If your cake keep failing, it's probably because of these 5 beginner baking mistakes. Stay with me and I'll show you how to fix them so your cakes come out perfect every time. Welcome to Blen Confectionery. 5 reasons why your cake comes out flat, dry or uneven is because of incorrect measurement. When the flour is too much or the liquid is too little, your cake comes out dry or dense. Number 2 reason is wrong oven temperature. When your oven is too hot, your cake collapses. And when the oven is too cold, your cake turns out heavy. The third reason, which is the most or common among beginner bakers, is over mixing or under mixing our batter. Mixing too long makes your cake tough. Stop mixing when it's smooth. The fourth reason is opening our ovens too early. As a beginner baker, we want to peep into the oven to see how far the cake is baking. Please don't open your oven for the first 15 minutes to allow the cake rise properly. When you do this, it will make your cake sink. Number 5 on our list is using wrong or expired ingredients. Old baking powder means no rise, leaving you a flat, sad cake. Bake smart and not sorry. Thanks for watching. So if you found these tips helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss a baking tip. And don't stop here. Click on the video right here to learn more baking tips.